Okay guys, a new project I'm working on. This is going to be my new test track for speed matching engines. And it's going to be set up with using Decoder Pro, JMRI, and a script. And I think I got the script fixed to work. The script was originally designed for Digitrax, and I'm an NCE user. So that track there are 22 radius curve sections. There's 16 of them there. And the script needs 16 equal length blocks to calculate the speed and so that's what that's doing. So that meant I had to isolate each one of those section of tracks, and I wasn't going to go out and buy insulator joiners. So I had these files here for the track to put together, and that makes them isolated. So that's what those yellow marks are that you see on the floor there. And there's my speedometer. I was just testing it and playing around. I had all the track together with rail joiners before, and then I 3D printed those curved joiners, and the track is not, they don't touch. You can see the gap on the rails. So each one of them will be a separate, I have to solder a separate feeder wire on there, and then I have to hook up BD20s to each one of those to signal back to the program that, for the speed matching. So I have an NCE power cab set up here in my office, and that's one of those meters there you see on the leg of my desk, and there's the power cab right there, and that plugs in to the PCP board, which is powered with a 12 volt wall wart, and when I turn the system on, that turns it on. And then with this plugged in with a flat cable, it powers the track. Okay, well, the only problem with the power cab is it only allows up to 10 cab addresses, 1 through 10, and I need to have 16 BD20s. And the NCE AIU01, which controls the BD20s, only has 14 ports on them. Here's an AIU01. Okay, and there's 14, 1 through 14 there. So I need 2 AIU01s. Well, I had the AIU01s in stock, and that was no problem. So I ordered a Power Pro system. It's a 5 amp system. I'm going to replace the power cab with the Power Pro system in here. It's just the same system that runs my trains. I have boosters also on that, but I don't need a booster for in here. So I just have, it'll be a 5 amp system, that's coming. I got BD20s on order, they're coming. And so I'm waiting for them to come. I can finish the track system and get that ready. And then all I have to do is wire them up and go with that. So I can't, I can solder the wires onto the track and do that, but I'm not going to do that until I get the BD20s, so I know what kind of length of wires I got to do. So what I'm going to do is mount this on some wood, and then I can fold it up and put it away, and then when I need to do and get a new engine or something, I just pull it out and speed match it. So it'll be open for a while because I got a lot of engines to speed match. And I got some wood today, some plywood, and I got some 1x, you can see them out there on the floor, and it'll make a case. I got to get a piano hinge, and then that'll make it hinge up and close. So, and we'll see how that works with the track laid and everything. So today I'm going to start building this case, and I got to get the 1x's cut to the lengths I need and put them on. I got wood screws, and I'm going to screw it all together, and then I'll lay the track down. And I can lay the track in place because what I'm going to do is glue these on the wood, and then I can just set the track in place. So since it'll be enclosed, I make sure that I have enough clearance on the sides and everything, and we'll go with that. So this is the first of many videos on this subject, and I will post some more later, and once I get the case built. This is the same system that Steve Childers is making, but he's a Digitrax guy. He has a Digitrax system, so his wiring and stuff is going to be different than mine. And so I'm going to show you how to do it in NCE system, and I'll show you the JMRI stuff, and that'll come in the next couple of videos on this subject matter. So that's it. We'll catch you all later. Take care. And I'll zoom out, and you can see the whole truck.